Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be taking one of the blades out of the TrimPod 3.0 to replace it, and I imagine this would be pretty similar with the TrimPod 2.0. So simply just pry this little clip out. This is just simply to contain the blade and the blade holder itself, and this little bit there and the little nubbin on the other side of the blade clip holder, there's a mouthful, is what keeps that in place, and you can see the number 7 there, and that indicates that that's where the clip holder, that's where that 7 stands facing you when you're replacing it. So all you really need to do now is tip the blade out and give it a wee brush with your brush that you get with the kit, or brush that you may have already owned in the past, and yeah, just give it a wee brush around. I don't do the best job here because I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, and I just give the blade a wee brush as well. You can buy new blades, I believe, from TrimPod or Groom now, or Groom here as it is, just to replace, but this is a relatively new device and I've just worked out how to do this by myself. And yeah, this is a relatively simple process. Just give the actual holder, that little thing can come out as well, and I did that with the middle one, and there's 3 locator bits you can just put in and it sits there perfectly, and I've had no issues with it at all. The magnets are a wee bit of a pain in the ass, but what you can, and that's the little nubbin there that you can input that little spring clip that I showed you earlier with, and that's the other one there, exactly 180 degrees there, and I'm just showing you the little nubbins again, and that's what that's how you secure that, because I created a spring and shot the whole thing out without thinking. So all you need to do now is put either your used clean blade back in the device, the blade holder, and then place this into the machine head. But as I was saying there, the magnets do grip onto it, and there is a little bit inside where it does sit and it doesn't rise towards the blade holder, or the magnets, sorry, apologies. But yeah, I just kind of spin it around in my hand until I feel it sits firmly, and that is the little clip getting put back in place as well. So you literally just line the clip up, and you can see I'm looking for the number 7 and other ways to identify what way the clip faces. I have no idea if it has any detrimental effect if you put the number 7 facing down. To me, the clip doesn't really look that much different on the other side. I could be wrong here, so I end up putting it 7 side facing up eventually, but I'm not. But I think that, to me, that just looked more authentic, I guess. And you can see I've just lined the clip up there, pushed it in, and I'm just pushing the other side down now as well, and making sure it's secure, because if not, if you've done it wrong, it most likely will just spring out and you'll just have to find it there. So just attaching the head back again, and that is how you change the head. And it was relatively a simple procedure, but if you like this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.